You're now going to integrate the client demands into your feasibility project, like the areas, the functional program, or the finishes of floor and ceilings, for instance. The first step is to create a database for all the data you need. This information is stored in elements of the categories, rooms, or areas. Start by creating a Revit schedule. In this example, for the rooms, add all the parameters you need. Here, we add a list of critical parameters, a unique number that will allow you to identify the room, an identifiable name, the demanded level that indicates the level of the project where you must place the room, the department and sub-department to which this room belongs to, and finally, the demanded area. This parameter is critical to compare the designed area and the client demanded area. All of these parameters are default parameters in the G.Algo template. You can add any parameter you need to extract quantities, like the walls, ceilings, and floor finishes, occupancy, and more. You then need to use the G+ toolbar to link the schedule to a sheet on an Excel file. Go to the G+ tab and click on Link. Select Schedule of Instances. Indicate the path where you want to save your file. Then export it. Once you hit Export, a new Excel file pops out. This file is linked to your schedule, and every change in Revit or in Excel can be imported and/or exported back and forth. The linked sheet has the same name as the Revit schedule. This is what's keeping the link between them. Please don't rename or delete the sheet. Also, you can see that a new column called ID has been added to the table. It allows the link between the Excel row and the Revit element. All the gray cells are non-editable values because they are read-only parameters in Revit and they cannot be modified. You can now complete your table. In order to add new rooms, you tap Add in the ID column. You can add new shared parameters to your file by adding new columns to the Excel sheet. Or you can delete room by deleting the row in Excel. Smart, right? Once your table is complete, you can return to Revit and import it. If you deleted elements, a dialog box will open and ask for your validation. Better think twice. Also, if you added parameters, a dialog box will also ask you for validation, as well as the kind of data it will store. You can repeat the same action for areas. Note that for the next steps, rooms and areas are only the database for the client requests, and that those instances will never be placed in the project. In the next tutorial, you're going to find out how to create functional diagrams.